introduce to you the latest seaming machine. Seaming machine is used for sealing PVC, PET, those kind of the shrink films into sleeve labels. We adopted the cutting-edge aligner quite reliably even at high web speed. Here is for the trim edge removal. You also can make the easy tear line with this device. As you know, this machine adopted the fully motor-driven, which has the automatic tension control. Furthermore, we have the extra option auto width measurement by the width motor-driven. If the seaming width is beyond the tolerance you can see here, this device will adjust it automatically. This machine, the top speed can reach 500 meters per minute. For this final product width, we have a very wide range. Like this one, the minimum width we can reach 30 millimeters. For the maximum width, it can be up to 350 millimeters. Here is the automatic gluing device, quite easy to operate. There is for the mic hole. It can install after seaming or before seaming. Here's the slick swing motor application for the tight rebounding. Let's see the performance. If you have any idea, just give me a call to discuss. For more details, please subscribe our YouTube channel below. The auto stroke screw for the routine inspection at a high speed.